Today I thought of talking about the correlation between thoughts and stress. Do you think they are correlated in any ways? As per me, yes. If you are having right thoughts, if you are having positive thoughts, if you are having positive energy, the stress levels goes down. It is like something water flowing downstream. It flows so easily, or even someone walking downstream. It's easy to go there. But if you have to go up the hill, the task becomes difficult. Similarly, is the thought. If the thoughts are negative, it is like going up the hill. It causes a lot of stress in the system. And when it causes that kind of a stress, you feel drained out in form of an energy. Another way of understanding it is like when you're using a mobile phone. If you are having multiple things going at one time, then it causes stress. Something like where you have multiple apps open in the mobile phone, it will consume more battery. Whereas if you are focusing on one thing at a time, that means you are able to control your thoughts, focus on one task at a time, the stress levels will be less, the energy conservation will be there, and you will be able to perform better. So, for an optimum performance, my belief is that we should always be filled with positive thoughts. We should keep focusing on one thing at a time. It does not mean that you cannot multitask. Multitask is not doing multiple things at one time. It's doing one thing at a time, but of multiple nature. So one thing you finish one object or task, go to the other, then finish that, go to the other. That is how, if you are able to do, your thoughts will also be controlled, your energy will also be controlled, and the stress levels will always be less. And moreover, important is to live in present, so that your thoughts are there, which you can implement, which you can control, which you can go ahead with. So work on your thoughts, have a focus on one thing at a time, and try to have a flow which is an easygoing flow, not taking too much burden on yourself, so that you don't get stressed. So thoughts are inversely proportional to stress. Positive thoughts, less stress. Negative thoughts, more stress. You choose what you want or which direction you want. My recommendation would be, we should always be on the positive quadrant. Think through, and I'm sure you will appreciate it. Thank you.